Hi IT lovers, welcome back to web editing. Today it's not going to be in VS Code app because it's not functioning today. Looks like all my Microsoft apps are just dysfunctioning, even though I pay the, I pay the fee every month to get all these apps. And well, today it's not functioning, but it doesn't matter. I found something in the browser. It's a website called programmist.com where you can edit, HTML, Java, even SQL, and so on and so on. So today we are going to do that in the browser, and this is where we are going to work today. Remember last week we finished our web site, and did just copy paste the code here in this website, so you can take a look again at our website we created together last week. Looks awesome, huh? Today we will start the practice of some more HTML contents with some no files topic. This part is of course supposed to be easier than to create a homepage, and it's also good to know for whoever loves to code. There are many programming languages out there, and the goal is to just know how, which comes by practicing one of them at a time. So come on, let's do this. You see here, you can just pull here, and now it's a little bigger. This is our website from last week. I just removed the picture because I couldn't get it in the browser, but I hope you remember it. Let me show it once again. Okay, I hope you could create your own. Okay, today we are going to start something else, as I said, and I'm just reloading so we can start new. This is how the website looked like if anybody wants to go and work in the browser, just in case your apps are dysfunctioning. All right, now this is what we are going to do today in keywords, now in German. Erstellen wir einen Fibonacci-Generator mit Beschriftung, Eingabeprompt und Button-Aktivierung. Wir werden auch etwas H1 und Paragraph einfügen. Und dann für den Skriptteil benötigen wir eine Funktion namens Generate Sequence und einen if return for Anweisung, damit uns die Ausgabe beim Klicken in das Feld ein automatisiertes Ergebnis liefert. In English, this is what we gotta do. Let's create a Fibonacci generator with a label, an input, and a selection button. We will get also, of course, some H1 and little paragraph. And then for the script, we will need a function called generate sequence and an if return for statement so that the output gives us an automated result on click in our selection box. And now in French, this is what we gotta do. Donc en français, voilà ce qu'on va faire. On va créer un générateur de Fibonacci avec un label, une saisie, un bouton d'activation. On y ajoutera une petite en-tête, un paragraphe. Et pour le script, on aura besoin d'une fonction nommée Generate Sequence. Et on va déclarer un if return for de façon à ce qu'on obtienne un résultat automatisé en cliquant dans notre petit cadre de sélection. On va dire ça comme ça. Okay, first, let's type here Fibonacci, Fibonacci sequence. Tac. Like this. Okay, this is our title. I hope you can see, right? Fibonacci sequence. And here they have comments, so the snippet was already, inside. Now all we gotta do is to just type. And here they already had, an H1. So I'm just going to remove this one and place mine. Again, Fibonacci sequence generator, like this. And then of course we got to make sure that our H1 right here get back up like this, and we can get that out. Also we're gonna put our paragraph, but not right now. Let me just remove it for now. Get the 3 points inside for now, and we start right here. So right here I want to get my label, but before I do that, I just want to inform for those who don't know about Fibonacci that the result is always the sum of the two previous numbers. This result is always a positive number, and Fibonacci is everywhere, like in our body, in the nature, etc. I would say, this is my opinion right there, that the author of Fibonacci, of course, is God, but the discoverer was Mr. Fibonacci, and we thank him for that. Hallelujah. Okay, let's insert our label first. Of course, here we don't have IntelliSense, so we have to do it all manually. Like here, I start label. I have to do it like this. For we want lengths, so we put it like this. We write inside length, and we can't make any mistake. I hope you can see right. And here we close again. We have to do it all manually. It's not like in VS Code where you have IntelliSense and all this stuff, but it doesn't matter right now. So length, make sure you write it right. We're going to get a colon here, and then we close our label like this. Yes, and we make sure we put a slash in front here. Label is good. At the same level, we want to get our input like this, and we want type. That's an input type, and we're going to get an equal here, and then we're going to get a number. We close, and we want an idea, and we get an equal here, and we write here length again, and then here we want a min, like minimum, equal 1. Yes, I'm going to put it also like this, quotation, so 1, and for the value, like value like this, we're going to get also a 1 with quotation. So, and now we start the button. We write button here, and we want it on click like this, and again an equal, and we're going to get here generate sequence. This is generate sequence like this. This is the right pattern like this, quotation, and we close. Okay, right now I'm just gonna speed up the process of scripting. Okay, now let's remove that here, and this is a pair, and we're gonna separate and keep it up right here. Function generate sequence, and then we're gonna insert the dancing brackets here. Well, the curly brackets, but I call them dancing. And then here const length and input. Let's get an uppercase here, like this, and then an equal here, an equal, and our variable document dot get element, and we're gonna say by ID, and some quotation and length again. We close. Here it's going to be a sequence, and output like this, and we get an equal, pretty much like above, and the same document dot and get element, and here we get sequence. and we close. And then we can go down and restart. Here it's going to be a const, also a const, and length, and we're going to get parseint, and then same thing with quotation. And here we're going to get a length input value, length input dot value, like this. We close. Now we can start with our if statement. If is this comes with practice. The more you write, the more you code, I mean. And here we want some pipelines, a double one, like this, and lengths. I have a problem with this length writing, like this, and we get a one, we close. And now I'm going to speed up the process of scripting again. All right, my friend, I'm sorry, but I'm glad to tell you that my VS Code is working again. I don't know what happened before, but right now I just came back to my VS Code app because it's really easier here than in the browser. And just to finish the Fibonacci code, so you can take a look at it. And as you can see, it's already open. Okay, here I call it Fibonacci HTML, as you can see. And I finished the scripting, so this is how it looks like. So this is what I entered here. This is the if statement, the if return and for, as you can see. And you know, the please enter valid integer. And now we have the show live preview server working again. And here, if I click and generate, this is what's happening automatically. So 0, we always start in Fibonacci, of course, with 0 and 1. So 0 and 1, if we generate here, like we want, say, a bunch of them, like 25 result, this is what happened. 0 plus 1 equal 1, 1 plus 2 equal 3, 3 plus 5 equal 8, etc., etc. So this is a Fibonacci sequence. For those who don't know, it's very I mean, it's very important to know that. I don't know why they don't teach us that at school, but it's very important to know that. I mean, it's really good to know. This is a sequence you can find, you know, as I told you, in our body, in the nature, you know. It's really good to know. So for those who want to copy, let me close the preview and scroll back to the top, or just use the minimap here. And this is how the code looks like. I'm gonna scroll, so if you want it, you can take a look at it. That's what it is. Okay, that's it for today. That's enough for today. Next time we are going to perform another file, also in HTML, before, you know, we jump to the topic Python and JavaScript, etc. We still have a couple of things on HTML I want to show you. But for now, that's that's good for today. I hope you could learn something new, or I could refresh your memory with something you forgot about. All right, thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.